1/10 of the people watching this video have a parasite in their brain. Toxoplasmosis gondii is a microscopic parasite that infects the lungs, muscles, and brains of hosts. The parasite starts off its life cycle in mice, where it releases chemicals that makes the mice a little bit too brave, resulting in their early demise at the paws of cats. Toxoplasmosis then sets up camp in the intestines of our feline friends, eventually making its way to our mouths when we forget to wash our hands after cleaning the litter box.
Thanks a lot, Teddy.
People can also contract it by eating undercooked meat containing the cyst or through exposure to contaminated water or soil. Toxoplasmosis is thankfully almost always asymptomatic because our immune system keeps it at bay, nice and dormant. However, it can reactivate in individuals with a severely compromised immune system, for example due to untreated HIV, resulting in AIDS. In adults, toxoplasmosis presents with headache, fever, confusion, and seizures, as well as occasional inflammation of the eyes and lungs. Toxoplasmosis can also be lethal to fetuses when contracted during pregnancy, so doctors recommend that pregnant women keep away from the litter box. Although toxoplasmosis remains dormant in healthy people, research has shown that infected individuals have higher rates of car accidents, potentially due to prolonged reaction times. They also have higher rates of mild cognitive impairment and schizophrenia. People with both latent toxoplasmosis and schizophrenia even tend to have more severe hallucinations and delusions. For unclear reasons, these effects seem less prominent in individuals who have the Rho positive blood type, meaning that the Rho protein is present on the surface of their red blood cells. Scientists hypothesize that latent toxoplasmosis could be causing some of these subtle symptoms by using a gene called tyrosine hydroxylase, which we have too actually, to increase the levels of dopamine within our brain. Alternatively, the effects could derive from the chronic low levels of inflammation needed to keep the parasite at bay. However, these effects are relatively small, and their only correlation which isn't necessarily causation. Doctors don't recommend treating latent toxoplasmosis, and although these studies are interesting, I wouldn't worry too much for now.